Guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to see this is gigabyte.com and then you can see this is search button. Then you enter your model number. Then hit enter. Then click to product. Then click on motherboard title. Click on support. Then select your operating system Windows 10 11. Both installations guys, driver installations same. You just select which is you using. Audio driver, and this is audio and this is I just click to download. After you click downloading, you can see it is downloading start. Then you can see this is Realtek and just open it. This is exe, so double click to launch. Then click to yes. Now this is extracting to your system for the installation. Now this is installing the audio driver, you can see. So it is right now installing and it will close automatically. This is install automatic. So do not worry about it how it is close automatic. So it is closed means this is installed. So chipset driver, Intel serial driver, and click to download. And just open it. Double click to launch. Yes. This is installing. This is close means it's installed. This one also. Click to download icon. It is downloaded, then open. Then same double click to launch. And then yes. Okay, and then closed. LAN driver, Realtek LAN, just download. And then open. Double click to exe. Then yes. Now this is installing the LAN driver. Then it is automatically closed, means this is installed. VGA driver, Intel VGA driver, and just click to download. See, click on download. After, you can see now this is start downloading. So it is installed. You can see this is 760 size. Okay, open the VGA and then again, or double click to exe. This is extract driver, so you have to double click. Then click to yes. Now this is installing. then it is done and close.